What's going on, everybody? Welcome back, man. Hey, dude, today I think we may have some more weather coming in today, but I ain't really got too much for y'all today, man. But first off, man, how's everybody doing, man? Y'all good? For real? All right, cool, man. Hey, I also want to make sure I let everybody know that, I did get in contact with the two winners, man. Again, appreciate y'all, man, and congratulations for winning, man. And that went by kind of smooth, you know what I mean? So, I do want to do some other giveaways here later on, Subaru Shakedown, man. That boy there, he told me something. He said, after 1,000, it ain't gonna be too much longer before we get another zero behind that. And I'm like, heck yeah, man, I'm all for it. So if that does happen, cool. I got some stuff that I got a couple of big things I wouldn't mind kind of letting go of. Really wouldn't mind it. But we're not there yet. But we're working on it. But let's go ahead, let's continue on with the video for today, man. So like today, I really don't have that much for y'all. It's because something kind of fell through on me. Let's talk about it. All right, so look, this is what it is. So I want to get the oil cooler installed on the car. So in order to do that, because of the nature of what I do every day, sometimes I got to get up and I got to go, and I had to cut everything off kind of short. So in order to do that, I need to be able to, I don't want to be rushing or do anything like that when I'm working on the Ghost, man. I don't want to do that. When I'm working on anything, I don't like to rush. So I try to make sure that my daily, which is the truck, is good to go. And I told y'all in the other video, man, I bought brakes because I need to do the brakes on there. And I was going to do that because I was going to shoot this video yesterday. But then when I got into looking at it, the brake rotors that I ordered are the wrong kind. And that was all on my fault. That's my fault because I didn't read all of the information on there, right? So they wind up, the rotors are being too small. The issue that I have with the truck is I'm experiencing what you call, I guess you can call it brake fade, because it gets so freaking hot and my brakes are worn. And one day I'm driving, it feels like the car is just like the truck just for to shake apart, you know what I mean? Because I'm trying to hit the brakes, everything is shaking. So in my mind already, I got warped brakes. So my rotors are warped. So after looking at the passenger side don't look too bad. But when I look at the driver's side, god dang, boy, it is trash. So I really can't safely drive that thing like that. It drives okay, but because of the temperatures out here, it gets so hot, the brakes just start going ham on me. So I had to send what I had back and order me some more rotors. So when I get those rotors, and then I'll throw that and the brakes on the truck, and then I'll be able to ride that thing, and then we'll do the Ghost. So it's coming. It just ain't coming yet. But I also don't have too much time this week because it's been kind of rough at work. So I kind of got to do something kind of easy this week. Something that I can kind of knock out pretty quick. It doesn't require me to take a whole bunch of stuff apart. So today we're going to do two things. I'm working on a daily, but it's going to be something a little cosmetic. And matter of fact, it's going to be cosmetic for the Ghost as well. So let's go ahead and take a look at what I'm talking about. All right. So as you can see on the back of the Ghost, I was pretty happy about, my little banner that I have across the back window. Now, I do like the font that I used on here, but looking at this, it's kind of hard to read. I know what it says, but who cares if I know what it says? I want everybody else who's driving behind me to see what it is and maybe, get a channel to look at, It's my little piece of advertisement, you know what I'm saying? So I want to change this. So the company that I get my vinyls from is they're called Turbo Vinyl. So I usually reach out to them, and you can kind of design, whatever font you want to use. Anything they do stuff for a little bit of everything, Twitter, Instagram, they do all of that. I just did mine for YouTube, and I did it with a different font this go around, something a little easier to read than what I got. That other one, it's cool, man. I like it. It's real cool looking, but it's the easiest thing in the world to read. So I went with this. So I changed it into this, and it's also a little bit bigger, so you can do these in different sizes. It even comes bigger than this, but you know, I think this will be a little bit more easier to read because the other one is all ran together. So I think it'll look better on the Ghost. And so really all I have to do is scrape this off the back. So I'm gonna scrape this off, clean the window real good because the car it's dirty, but like I said, we ain't been having the greatest weather. So I'm gonna scrape this off, clean it up real good, and then we'll put the new banner on the back. And then the second thing that I wanted to do to the truck, which I may just do the truck because like I said, I don't want the weather to come in, and I got to do a little bit extra with this thing. I went to the store this time. I didn't order anything from Amazon this go around. I went to the store, you know, Walmart, and I bought some trim coat. So if you look down here, you know, I did plastic dip all of this stuff. And now the little plastic areas on the bumper, I kind of want to treat these as well to make it look, you know, like brand new, like it used to be, like black. And then this right here too. I want to do the mirrors, do the door handles, and then I want to do the areas back here on this back bumper that looks like straight trash. Man, somebody hit the truck, dude. Kids, man. Messed up my little plastic dip too, man. Look at that, man. But I kind of want to clean up all this plastic. I'm going to clean all that up and then get it ready. And then I'm going to put some of that trim coat on there. Matter of fact, I'm going to put it on the back part of the truck too, right here, to make it look all nice and like brand new black again. All right, y'all. So let me go on and put y'all on a little time lapse and let's get this cleaning process started so we can go on ahead and start applying this stuff so I can be done with the truck and then we can start on the Ghost.
Oh my God, I'm just playing with them now, yeah. Oh my God, what she saying, say it loud, yeah. I can't respect it, I'm in the gym, but I am not flexing. Came from a Ford, I'm needing a Lexus. Shooting like Luca, I told him I'm next, shit. Oh my God, I'm just playing with him now, yeah. Oh my God, what she saying, say it loud, yeah. I can't respect it, I'm in the gym, but I am not flexing. Came from a Ford, I'm needing a Lexus. Shooting like Luca, I told him I'm next, shit. I got a ball, I told them I'm here, I'm not waiting for y'all. They hit my phone, but I ignore the call. I got to drive and I see that they stop. I bought a whip and I paid it in cash. Numbers keep growing like what's on the dash. Drive me to Addy, I pull it the maps. Dressed in a white tee, I bought it a Gap. Hitting the gas, he trailing behind. This in his games, but I stay on my grind. I told my fan that we all got me fine. Said I'm a star, that's why they all align. Said I don't rob it like all of these guys. I told them all like a million times. Waiting for me, but they know I'll rob. What I'm doing to y'all, it should be a crime. I told him, oh my God, I'm just playing with him now, yeah. Oh my God, what she saying, say it loud, yeah. I can't respect it, I'm in the gym, but I am not flexing. Came from a Ford, I'm needing a Lexus. Shooting like Luca, I told him I'm next, shit. Oh my God, I'm just playing with him now, yeah. Oh my God, what she saying, say it loud, yeah. I can't respect it, I'm in the gym, but I am not flexing. Came from a Ford, I'm needing a Lexus. Shooting like Luca, I told him I'm next, shit.
Man, this is taking way more strips than I thought it would, but this is a pretty big truck. But as you can see, just gotta wipe it all on there. It comes out of the little container pretty much lubricated. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish this up, and then we'll look at the end result, because as you can see, that's what it looks like right now before it's treated. And then I'll show it to you guys after it dries. So let me go ahead and finish this up, then I'll turn y'all back on. And there we go, y'all. Look at that, man. It's 100 times better. Even right here. Look at all faded before. Now everything is looking like it's new. Got that little shine on there. See there? And look at that. It's got water on it. But like I said, the water's just pooling up on there. It's beading up. So that's a nice little upgrade to the ride, man, making it look good. Let's go ahead and let's start on removing this the old decal, like I told y'all before, look at how, I mean, the whole thing, it just runs completely together. So it looks like one whole big word when it's really not that. So I think this is going to be a little bit more legible. It's actually bigger too, because I decided to go a little bit bigger on this one. Let's go around, but let's go ahead and let's get this thing removed. So I got my razor blade tool here. We'll scrape this off here, and then we'll clean the glass really good. And then at that point, we'll let that dry, and then try and center this thing on there and put it on there, hopefully without ruining it. But let's go ahead and get this thing removed off of here, man.
Lucas said that I can't, but I told him I do it. Up in the morning, I sweat it is brewing. Hitting these goals like I play for the Bruins. Thought that I told him I can't, but was mine. They throwing shade, but I'm still gonna shine. They check my wrist and they know it's my time. They ain't seen the numbers, so I swear that they blind. But that's how it goes, they know when I'm chose. Need me the flowers, not talking no rose. Was whipping the Chevy, I need me the ghost.
All right, y'all, got it all off of there. And it looks really good. I don't really see too much of that the little outlines of the old letters, so we should be good there. Now, where do we line this up at? I kind of want to line it up on this first line and maybe go there, that first defrost line right there maybe. But now I got to center this thing, and that is going to be the hard part here. So let me grab me a tape measure, and then I'm gonna measure this thing up.
For me and my bros, ice in my veins, I sweat it is froze. They know when it's heat, it's like right out the stove. Way that I'm shooting, they think I'm a pro. I told them so much that they really should know that's real. Oh my God, I'm just playing with them now, yeah. Oh my God, what she saying, say it loud, yeah. I can't respect it, I'm in the gym, but I am not flexing. Came from a Ford, I'm needing a Lexus. Shooting like Luca, I told him I'm next, shit. Oh my God, I'm just playing with them now, yeah. Oh my God, what she saying, say it loud, yeah. I can't respect it, I'm in the gym, but I am not flexing. Came from a Ford, I'm needing a Lexus. Shooting like Luca, I told him I'm next, shit.
All right, there we go. That wasn't too difficult, but I did have a little bit of a mishap right there. It was a bubble. I tried to smooth it off of there, but it kind of like spread and broke off of there a little bit. I think because it was a little bubble right here in the middle right here too, like all the way down to the sticker wasn't all the way on there, but I was able to get that one. This one gave me some difficulty, but I think it looks pretty good. So I don't know, man. Y'all let me know what you think. Does that look good? Oh, did I screw that thing up, dog? I don't know, but I like it though. It looks good on there. It's actually bigger and it's more pronounced, and you can actually tell what the hell it says. That way then, more people can find us. Get onto the channel and we can continue to grow. Well, folks, that's it, man. Like I said, I ain't really had that much for y'all this week because like I said, I got a lot going on. I'm trying to get some stuff done. I got to especially do some regular maintenance stuff on the truck. That's the reason why I got to do the brakes. So I'm waiting on the new brakes that I ordered to come in, which I'm hoping should be the correct ones. We can get those replaced, and then once I get that replaced, then we can go ahead and do the oil cooler on the Ghost. It gives me enough time to put some miles on it because like I said, I just put fresh oil in there. Another thing I want to tell you guys, man, hey man, dog, when I tell you Ron from Portland, man, he puts videos out, man, and he'll always have like the coolest freaking tool on his channel. So of course I saw something on there and I got it, this thing right here. So, you know, you got those times when you want to you got to torque a bolt and it's in a spot where you really can't get a big torque wrench in. Well, there's this little tool right here that I got from Harbor Freight that, you know, he kind of, what happened there? Look like the lights just flickered, y'all. That's wild. But I'm gonna have to look into that. But there's this thing here, and it's basically, let's look down at the bench. So basically what this is, it's like it's pretty much like a torque wrench, so you can torque a bolt on the and like if it's in a tight spot, and you can kind of fit this in there. And what you would do is you would put whatever socket needs to go on this end, and you can use your ratchet or even a breaker bar right here, and then you can torque it to the torque spec, and it'll give you like whatever torques. You can set it to whatever torque spec you want it to go to, and then it'll beep whenever you get to that. So I think that's pretty cool. So I can't wait to use this thing. So I'm definitely gonna be putting that thing to some serious use. I don't know. I just want to talk about that because that's just, I'm excited about the tool. I like tools, man. And this will come in handy when I want to get a torque spec for something that's in a tight spot where I can't get to it. But like I said, man, that's it, dude. I ain't want to take up too much of your time, even though I probably did. But hey, man, we just be talking and shooting the crap, man, you know. But I like having that on there. It looks better. It's more legible. It's not like all run together like the one I had on there previously. It looks cool, but you can't really make out what it's saying. Got that on there. Y'all let me know what y'all think about that. I'll link it in the description. The site to where I got that from, the way that if you guys are interested in getting something like that and putting it on your car, you can. I'll even link this. I got this from Harbor Freight. Harbor Freight, dog. And they got 3/8, ½ inch, and what else do they have? I think that's it. Half and a 3/8, and 3/8. But that's all I got for y'all on this one, man. Appreciate y'all if y'all made it this far in the video. I know I'm kind of rambling and like all over the place. The light flickering kind of just threw me completely off, so now I got to go check a whole bunch of stuff. But again, appreciate y'all for checking the video. If you made it this far, make sure you like, subscribe, hit that bell notification, hit all so you get notified whenever I put out a video. And until that next video, fam, peace.